Hayley Jones, safe checking, cleaning, maintenance and storage of tools at Forest School. So today I have a bow saw. So first of all I would do a visual check around my bow saw, check that there's nothing loose, the handle feels okay and secure. If everything I feel is okay, I will now check the blade. So I will put a glove on, take the cover off, just run my glove along the blade, make sure there's no notches or anything visible. Then I will case on, and this is then put away into my lockable cupboard at Forest School. Next I have my bill hook. So visual check around my bill hook, handle feels secure. I'm going to now check blade, make sure there's no notches or anything. So glove from above. So if you need to sharpen your blade, I've got a whetstone here, so I will just put on the glove as well. And then what I'm going to do is place it along the stone at an angle and push away. I'll do this about 3 times. Switch it around to the other side. And I will pop the case back on. And then that bill hook is put into my locked cupboard at Forest School. I have a sheath knife here, so cover off, have a visual check, make sure there's no notches or anything. So just run my glove along the blade, just wipe it clean. Yeah, looks okay. So back into its case, and then this is kept in my locked cupboard at Forest School. Last of all, I have my loppers. So take the case off, just have a quick visual check around, handles feel secure, the blade looks okay. If it needed a sharpen, again I could use my whetstone to sharpen it with. So case is put back on. If I had these in a bag, I make sure that the handles are facing upwards, but I keep these in a shelf at my Forest School. That's it. So that's how to keep everything safe, clean and stored away. Thank you.